This is a quick guide on how to set up your booking widget so that it goes on your web page or as a link in an email. All you need to do is go into settings and then scroll down to the booking widget. Simple. If you've got yourself, you know a tiny bit of code or anything like that, all you need to do is copy that. There's a little button there, copy code, and paste that into your site, whether it be a WordPress site or whatever it is. You just need to paste in 2 lines of code and your booking widget will work. If you change any settings, it will automatically update. And you've got auto resize, which means that it would change its size depending on how big the widget is. You've also got an inline button so that if your website's struggling with our auto size widget, you can just go for an iframe, copy that code there, or a pop-up button. This is quite handy if you just want to take them out into a new window, you can copy that code there. But you've got those 3 options there. I would recommend, if you can, trying out the auto resize first and pasting that roughly to where you want your widget to sit. You also can preview that widget here. If that works, I don't think it's activated there. Yeah, you can preview your widget there to see what it looks like. So this is a live example of how you set up your tables, depending on how many tables you've got. And it'll give you a live example. So if this is not displaying how you want, you can change the settings and play around with them. You can fully customize the appearance. So you've got some standard layouts. So you've got your classic white and black, you've got rows, and you've got all of this. But if you're feeling a bit more adventurous and you really want to match it to your website or your theme that it's on, you can do custom and you can play around with the backgrounds, text, card services, and all the buttons so it matches to your website. You've got a nice little editor here. You can change it, or if you know a tiny bit of code, you can put in the code of the color, which is called the hex color here. You can change that here. You also got a couple of options of font, which are here, and the body font here. You have got the option to put some custom CSS. I don't recommend using this unless you're a developer or you have a developer that can help you that knows to change this, because it could look very different and could break it. So only use the overwrite CSS if you know a bit of CSS here and you're happy to accept the risks. But that's how you use the widget, and it's very simple. Most of the time you just want to copy that and paste that into your website. Obviously, we're here to help if you need help integrating it into your website, whether it be a WordPress site, a Squarespace site, or a HTML site. We can do that as well. You can as well, if you haven't got a website ready yet, use our standalone page where you can copy that. You can change all this and create a temporary or full-time page that people can use to book while you wait for your restaurant to open. And you can edit everything here, so you can change what it all says here. You can add a gallery. You can play with that. So you can get your site up and running and take bookings straight away using our standalone widget. Again, I hope that helps, and please reach out to me if you need any help.